Did everybody walk through today's video? In today's video, we're going to look at the Flameking DOT refillable cylinder kit, and I got 3 1-pound bottles to go along with it. Figured I'd do it this way, do it the safe way. As you can see on the side of the bottle, there's an Allen key and a bleeder, and on top there's a little white ball. That's for the relief valve, and it has to correspond with that notch on the left hand side, as you can see in the picture. Those have to be aligned. So I got the tank on the stand. This is very simple to do. Then you screw the attachment on. Make sure it's tight because you don't want any kind of leaks. And then line it up and then screw it down. So basically how it is that the Allen key is directly 90 degrees from the end of the stem. And I take my Allen key. Each bottle comes with one. Just crack it just a little bit. Turn the gas bottle on the propane tank. Now this part takes a little while, but all you gotta do is hold down that switch and you wait for propane to start squirting out of the bleeder hole. It takes a little while, a couple minutes or so depending, and then I just sped it up right here. Just let you guys, if you ever do it wondering why, hey, what the heck's going on, why isn't it filling up? And then it'll start shooting out like that, and that means that we're about 80% full and we're good. So we just shut her down, turn off the gas to the bottle, pull out your Allen key, and then unscrew your bottle. That's it, you're done. You can fill up the other ones. That's a pretty quick and dirty video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.